Okay guys, very quick video. You see the results here. Okay, I'm not selling you anything, I'm just showing you my real results, real data, and you see it's a real time, everything here, the numbers real time. What I want you to understand, one thing is I'm showing you something that nobody will gonna show you, because I'm showing this is the real time here, right? So and since I'm not selling anything, I don't have anything for sale, I just for fun want to show you and make a little community around here on my channel, how to grow YouTube account. Okay, so take a look on those numbers, because right now what I got is here you can see in computer, it's April 27, 1:54 p.m. Okay, so let me show you again tomorrow about the same time how the numbers is here. If you want, you can write it down or just remember the numbers. And those numbers are in last 28 days, 13 million last 28 days. If you have seen my previous videos, you know that this channel is new. Let me just for the sake of this video go here and click lifetime, okay, for you. Not last 36 but lifetime. Okay, when we do lifetime, not much changes, but you can see, of course, if you know. So one thing what I want you to give you the tip for this one, for this video, each video I will gonna give you a tip what I am doing, what works for me, and how those numbers I'm getting. The thing is, this one I will explain in another video, but this one here and this one here is a crazy ones. Okay, so the tip what I want to leave you with this video is you have to post in a certain time in a day videos, and those videos have to be more than one video in a day. Yes, more than one video in a day in a certain time, and that time is very much depends on what is your targeted audience, where it's located. Okay, so because my targeted audience is in another side of the world, actually most of them right now they have right now about let me see, I have 156, they have 10 p.m. they have 10 p.m. right now. Okay, so most of them my audience. Okay, so it's very, very important when you post your videos, and very important how long your videos are, and it's very important the system. There is a system how you tie together those videos to get the numbers like this. Okay, so as you can see, this is again, you can see this thing here. Okay, I have shown you already in the previous videos what it is, but